Welcome to the Project Settings section of Yeet. In this video, we'll show you how to adjust your project image, name, and theme. In the Project Settings area of Yeet, you'll find the app image on the left side. Here, you can edit the current image or upload a new one if needed. You can also change the project name and add a short description to better define your project. In the lower section of the settings area, you can configure the theme for your project. By default, the light theme is linked to the project and serves as the default theme. Below that, you can view the available subthemes. At the very bottom, you'll see all themes that have been added to the project. You can also add additional themes here. To add a new theme, select the desired theme and click the plus icon. Once added, you can select it in the upper section and define the corresponding subthemes. To save your changes, simply click Save in the top right corner. You now have an overview of the key customization options in the Project Settings section of Yeet.